Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a T-Rex Among Us surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Among Us T-Rex drawing, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving my paper a nice fold. This way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with our Among Us T-Rex, let's begin over here and we're going to make that kind of like little face part. So I'm going to begin right here and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around and we're going to bring it to about here. Next, we're just going to take this and we'll just connect it down to here. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line right inside here for like the reflection. Now, starting up here, I'm going to bring this line up and I'm going to bring it down to here. Then I'm going to bring this line right here. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve this down. And then I'm going to make the legs. I'm going to bring this line down with a curve. I'm going to bring this line out to a point and back, out to a point and back, and then we're going to go one more little point here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curved. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to make that second foot with a little toe like this, and then one more. We're only going to do two on that side. And we're going to bring this up and in. Now, starting back here, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to curve it to here. Then we're going to bring this line up. We're going to make it kind of come to a point and back here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open it up, we have two halves of our Among Us T-Rex. So let's begin down here. I'm going to start by bringing this line all the way down. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then I'm going to bring this line up. Next, I'm going to curve this line down to here. And I'm going to stop right there. Then what I want to do is I'm going to draw lines just going to go down, and then I'm going to curve this up and down for a little arm. I'll bring this up, down, and up for that arm. Then I'm going to bring this down and around to here. Next, let's just take this line and we're going to curve this back up to here. Now, I want to add some teeth. So I'm going to begin by just making some little points right across here. So we're just going to make some sharp teeth coming down. Then I'm going to put some sharp teeth right here too. Then for a tongue, I'm just going to draw lines just going to kind of curve up and down again. Then I'm just going to do that same thing right to here. Now, our next step is I want to add the little pack on here. So I'm just going to fold this back up, and I'm just going to draw a little line. It's just going to come out and then down, and we're going to bring this down to here. Then we're going to open it up, and then we can just connect this real quick. Now, we want to make a little Among Us character running, and we're going to make it look like Alan Grant from Jurassic Park. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a little curve shape like this for the little face mask. And I'll put a little curve line in here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. We'll make a line that's going to come out and around like this. A little curve, and then the line's going to come down and around like this, so it looks like he's running. Next, we're going to curve this around to here. Then we want to go out, down, and in for the little backpack. Now for the hat, let's just draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to come down and back here. And then we can add a little line across here. We're going to go up, down, and down again. And a little line across. Now, for the outfit, let's just draw a little line here. And then we'll make two little lines on here. Then we're just going to curve a line across here. And then we'll do a little V shape. And then the little line's going to come down and curve, down and curve. And we'll make a little line that comes down here. Then finally, I want to make his hand. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curl around, kind of like a little oval. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3 little curves. And we'll connect this. I'm going to make a little rectangle shape. And I want it to look like a flare, so I'm going to make it look like fire. So first we're going to put some little points on here. And then we're just going to make these curvy lines to make it look like fire. And we can also add a couple little lines here to make it look like he's running. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Among Us T-Rex. So, when we have it all folded up, we've got our T-Rex, and then when we open it, we can see that he is roaring, ready to attack this little guy that looks like Alan Grant from Jurassic Park. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.